Hi, let's learn how to do pivoting in Excel. I have collected some data points which you can see on screen. Like in column A, there are some telecallers. In column B, their bosses. And in column C, number of calls they are doing on an average in a day. Leads made, how many leads they are making, and follow-up category. Like these telecallers, let's say, are working for a finance company and they are selling some products to customer by calling. So, for example, Neeraj has done 205 calls. Out of 205 calls, four customers are ready to buy his products, and out of 205, five customers are ready to buy his product, but after 6 months or 1 year, so that's why these customers went to follow-up category. Similarly for Rahul and Latife and Patrick and Praveen. Now let's see how to do pivoting in more appropriate way. Now let's see how to do pivoting with this data. First of all, you need to convert this data into table format. For that, you have to go to Insert, select Table. Of course, my table has a header, and where is the data for your table? Okay, the data is already selected by Excel when I clicked on table. So you can see like a moving dotted lines. So then clicked OK. Now see this data is converted to table format. You can give any colors if you want, like this is the blue color format. If you want to put some other colors, then you can have it, like see orange, table style medium 3, like this. Okay, so do the pivoting with this data. For that, you have to go to Insert, then select pivot. Like you can see the message is popped up, pivot table from table or range. Select a table or a range. So the Excel has automatically selected the range, which is table 1. Now you can see the dotted moving lines around the data point. So Excel has correctly selected the range. If Excel is not selecting correctly, then you have to select it in manual way. Okay. So then the second, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. If you want to put this pivot table from this data in a new worksheet, then just click on new worksheet. If you want to have a pivot for this data in a same sheet, then just go to existing worksheet and you just need to show, click on any one of the cell, and after selecting the cell just click OK. But I want to put pivot in a different worksheet, so I'm selecting new worksheet and just clicking on OK. See, so now you can see the pivot table fields appeared in another worksheets, and you have like four options here. The filter, second one is column, third one is rows, and values. So let's say if you wanna see the telecallers names and how many calls they have done, so just go to telecaller names and drag number of calls done to the this table or here in option summation values. Now you can see the number of telecallers and their respective calls they have done on an average in a day. If you want to look a boss wise data, if you would like to see under which boss how many calls have taken place, for that you just need to drag the bosses into rows and number of calls done into summation values. See, under boss Amit 461 calls has taken place, under boss Sanjay 462 calls has taken place, under boss Shekhar 770 calls taken place, and in total these telecallers have done like 1693 calls. See, in this way you can extract different kind of data using pivot option. Now let's apply in other way as well. I'm just deselecting the bosses again, dragging telecaller name in rows and dragging boss in filter. If you want to see a data for a specific boss, so let's say I want to see data for only Sanjay. I'm just selecting first of all select multiple items. Now here I'm deselecting all and again selecting Sanjay. So like I said previously, like I want to see data only for Sanjay. So I have selected Sanjay and just clicked on OK. Now see under Sanjay, under boss Sanjay, 5 telecallers are working and you can see how many calls they have done. And if you want to see how many leads they have made, just drag leads made into summation values. Now you can have how many leads they have made. Like Latife has done 15 calls, out of 15, 1 leads she has made. Lisa has done 10 calls, and out of 10 calls, 0 leads are made. In this way, you can extract more important data in Excel using pivot option. Thank you.